In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Adobe in just 5 minutes. This tutorial will walk you through all the necessary steps to efficiently add a signature or initials to your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to access a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. It's essential to use a reliable browser to ensure a smooth process. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the Adobe Sign public login page by entering the following URL: secure adobesign.com/public/login. This is the page where you can manage your signatures and ensure that everything is set up correctly. Next, open the PDF document in which you want to add the signature. For that, you'll need to use Adobe Acrobat. Open the document within the application and prepare to add the signature field. Now, to do this, locate the Tools tab on the menu bar. The Tools tab is your gateway to various functionalities that Adobe provides, and it will help you find and operate the Fill and Sign feature. Once you've accessed the Tools tab, look for and select Fill and Sign from the list of available tools. This feature is specifically designed for adding signatures, initials, and other fillable fields within your document. Now, within the Fill and Sign tools, you'll be presented with options to either add signature or add initials. Based on your needs, choose the one that suits your purpose. If you're signing your full name, opt for Add Signature. But if you merely need your initials, then Add Initials is your go-to option. If you have not previously saved a signature, the tool will prompt you to create one. You can do this by typing it out, drawing it using your mouse or touchpad, or uploading a signature image that you may have scanned or saved earlier. This flexibility allows you to create a personalized signature that looks just right for your documents. After creating or selecting your desired signature, it's time to place it on your document. Simply click where you want the signature to appear and adjust the placement and size as needed to ensure it looks professional and is positioned correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a signature to your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Remember, mastering this process opens up a world of convenience for digital document management. And with these skills, you'll be signing documents like a pro in no time. I hope you found this tutorial useful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tips.